Oh Jesus, oh Jesus. See people business and leave it alone. Hallelujah.
I hope all is well. So the saga or the saga, whichever way you pronounce it, continues with the POPCAAN and Queenie thing. So Cecile took to her Twitter instead of Instagram. I think she probably think it would have slid under the radar on Twitter. I don't know, but this is what she wrote. I don't know if people understand we all walk with spirits and energy. Stop invading people's, which is not a word, personal space, and then get mad if their spirit not match with yours. Spirit and energy is real. Stay back until you are called or asked permission, please. Alright? So that is what she said in defense of POPCAAN. Now, other people came underneath this post. I'm put it up for the sick. I'm not really going on a particular art. I'm really tired and editing the normal. You know what I mean? Enough people are said because she call him St. Thomas man or Ray. For me, I can't speak on behalf of POPCAAN. I think about because she walk up with the camera. You understand? But, you know, to each them own. And anyway, the back and forth this still continues. So POPCAAN did come back and said them not like him. And only just follow the screen for not follow the story, right? And then Queenie repost it, and then whatever Cecile write, it even make it to the pink wall. And then few hours ago, Queenie get it, so Queenie repost it, and that is what Queenie write underneath it. I guess Queenie wasn't satisfied with only what she repost and write underneath it, so Queenie went ahead and do a video. Let me tell you something. I don't think this plan to stop, but this is what Queenie have to say.
Me have to do a video for you. Nobody no remember your ugly blood clot copper color. Move your ginger color blood clot. You call me a Jamaican and walk me out for the blood clot interview. And days after I don't say nothing to me about money. And when I call you and ask about the money message and money, but how? I'm gonna ask you, no go ahead, no can't use me, no can't disrespect me. Ugly blood clot, Cecile, but you come right up on Twitter, but go suck POPCAAN, cocky and low blood clot me. Are you POPCAAN insult? Move your ugly blood clot. Fuck off, fuck you, and fuck POPCAAN. Oh.